Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. I love Brussels sprout, always for Thanksgiving, whatever, but I like it just sauté like this very briefly, and very often I do that with bacon. And so you start with a couple of tablespoons of good olive oil. I have sausage here. As you can see, 2 sausage, and those are, I like the spicy one, you know, but so you can make little bowl or leave it just in pieces like this, as I'm doing. I'm going to cook that first. Going to take a couple of minutes. I have a pound of Brussels sprouts here, and I'm going to put a can of beans at the end. And always the Brussels sprout, I trim the end of it like this. You know, if there is any damaged one, those happen to be beautiful and all that. And I slice them by hand this way, as I've done here. But it's pretty hard. So if you happen to have a slicer like this, I use that, and this is, you see, a slicer, there is 2 sides. One is thicker and the other one is thinner. I do the thicker part. That goes right in there and right on top of it here. And that's it. I can put my thing right in there. And this is it, so it's a cinch. See this, so here I have my sausage cooking here, nice and brown. They start rendering some fat. And as you can see here, they are cut very nicely, very equally. Okay, it's basically cooked, and now I can add the rest of this. I have a pound of Brussels sprouts here, so that would be for 6 people that I would do that. Salt on top of it, of course. I can always re-season it at the end. I'm going to cover it, get it steam a little bit. After 2-3 minutes, as you say, starting browning, but I think I need some moisture. So as long as I have those beans here, I'm going to use those beans later on, so I may as well add that liquid in there now to cook it a couple of minutes more. This way, I think a couple of minutes. A bit crunchy, but still, I like it this way. So the beans is there too. And this is about it. Just warm it up until you can do that ahead. Warm it at the last moment. Beautiful fricassee or a medley of Brussels sprout, sausage, and beans. Happy cooking.